Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn converting a given fraction into a decimal fraction. Now some fraction will give you how you will convert into a decimal fraction. Let's see. Let's take one fraction, that is 15 by 4. Now 15 by 4, how you will convert this into a decimal fraction? Simple, you have to divide. Okay, you have to divide 15 with 4. Let's divide it, students. 4 15. Now in the table 4, 15 doesn't come, but below that come, that is 12. How many times? 3 times. Okay, so this process you know how to solve it. So let's subtract, then 30 you get. 3 get. Okay, now we have to make decimal fraction. See here remainder is 3. Okay, so here we will put point or decimal, then you have to give 1 0. Okay, once again I am telling you, in the remainder what you get after solving this, that is 3, and constant is also 3. Now you have to make decimal fraction, so we will put point here, then we will put 0 also. Okay, when we will put point here, then many times till last remainder will be not become 0, you can put 0 0. Okay, now here point we have done, 0 we have done. Now in the table 4, 30 comes? No, below that come, that is 28. How many times comes? But 7 times. Now solve this, you get 2. Now what you have to do again here? You have to put point here? No, because 1 times we have already put point, no need to put point. Direct we will put 0 and solve it. In the table 4, 20 comes how many times? 5 times. So 20. See what you have get? 0 0. Now so 15 by 4, how you will convert to decimal fraction? What you get? You get 3.75. That is 3.75. Okay, now let's take one more example. Okay, second one, see 27 by 5. Okay, so we have to convert this into a decimal fraction. Now simple, you have to divide it. Now 27, how many times goes, students, here? 5 times. You get 25. Remainder what becomes? 2. Now we will put point here and we will put 0 here. Now in the table 5, how many times comes 20? That is 4 times. So we will write 4 here, then put 20 and we will cut it. So what you get? You get 5.4. Okay, this is the way to solve fraction into a decimal fraction. Now next we will see types of decimal. Okay, now there are 2 types of decimals number. Okay, so first one, that is like decimal. Okay, like decimals. Now what is like decimal? Decimal having the same number of decimal place are called like decimal. See example, first 2.5. okay, 5.3, 8.2. See, before decimal 2, okay, and after decimal 5. and so we have to see here after decimal. Okay, that is one digit is given. Okay, one digit is given. So this is like fraction. One more example, let's see. 5.03 to 3.08 2.56. This is also a like decimal. How? Because after decimal, how many digit? 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. So this is decimal fraction. Means decimal having the same number of decimal place are like decimal fraction. Okay, here 1 1 after decimal and here 2 2. So these are like decimal. Now second we will see unlike decimal. Unlike decimals. So what is unlike decimal? Decimal having unequal number of decimal place are called unlike decimal. Let's see example. First 5.97 and 42.038 both are unlike decimal. Okay, because here are 2 digit and here are 3 digit decimal. So this is unlike decimal. Now students, we will solve exercise 4a. Now question is saying convert the following into fractions in the lowest term. Now you have to convert this fraction into a lowest term. Now let's take first one. What is given? Exercise 4a. First question is 3.75. One first question we are taking. Now in solution, how you will solve this? In solution, how you solve this? See, first you will write question. Now we have to convert this into a fraction form. How you will convert? We have to remove point here. So what you will do? 375 you will write, then this, then after point how many digit? 2 digit. So we will put 20. Any doubt? Now you will cut the number. So in 5 both are coming. So how many times comes? Let's see it. So here 37. We have to take 35. How many times? 7. And here what left? 2. So 25, 5. And it comes 20. Now again it will be cut. It cut how many times? 1, 5. It cuts 4. Now what you get? 15 by 4. So 3.75. This what becomes lowest term? That is 15 by 4. Okay. Now simple. You can solve this. Now let's see second number. Convert into decimal fraction. Now here some fraction is given. We have to convert into a decimal fraction. Let's take 6th number. That is second 6th number. 9 3 by 5. Solution. Question you will write. Now this is in mixed fraction. We have to convert into a simple fraction. So 9 5s are 45 and plus 3. What you get? You get 48 . 8 by 5. Okay. Now what you have to do here is we have to make denominator 0 or multiple of 10. So in this, what you will multiply to get 10? That is 2. So 48 by 5 into 2, and above also we will multiply same. So what you get here? 10, and here 6, 1, 96. What you get? 96 by 10. Now this 1 0 come here. We will put decimal. How you will put decimal? So in the above, from this side, from unit side, we have to take one digit because there is 1 0. So we will put before one digit point we will put, that is 9.6. Okay, so this number, when we will change into a decimal fraction, it becomes 9.6. Okay, this is answer. Now third number, see, write the number of decimal place in. Okay, now here what you have to do is you have to write only after decimal place how many digit is given. So see, third, first 0.4767 this is wrong, 0.4762, this I have taken. So in solution, what you will write? 0.4762. Okay, now question is asking write the number of decimal place. So here you will write, give this sign, decimal place. So let's start to calculate. What you have to see here? After decimal. Okay, so let's count 1 2 3 4. So how many places is there? 4 places. So after decimal, how many places? 4. So you will write 4. Simple. See, here fifth one also you have to see decimal. After decimal you have to see, that is here 1 2 3. So 3 decimal place. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So decimal place how many? 6. So you can solve this. Now let's see fourth one. Write the following decimal as word statement. Now let's see first one. You have to write this into a word statement. So let's see how you will solve it. Question number 4. First I am telling you, question is 0.4, 0.9 and 0.1. I have read it. How I have read it? You have to write that. In solution, what you have to do? 0.4, same, first you have to write always question. Okay, now we will write 0.4, give comma, then write 0.9, then give comma and write here 0.1. Okay, it is very easy. Now same here, what you have to write? Let's see this one, fourth one. Here this number is given. I will write it in the word. Here you will write 0.005. Okay, here you will write 0.207. Here you will write 100. Okay, 111.519. How I will write this? fourth one. Let's see how you will solve this. This only I am telling this into a word. 111.519. How you will write this? That is 111. Okay. 11 point what is given? 519. Okay, so here in solution you will write together. Okay, so this is very simple. Now let's see fifth one. Question is saying convert the given fractions into a like fraction. So here some fraction is given, you have to convert into a like fraction. So what is like fraction? I have already told you, decimal having the same number of decimal place are called like fraction. So let's solve it. I will solve this. Fifth number. Okay, let's see fifth number. Fifth first I am telling you, second you can do by yourself. So quotient 0.5, 3.62, 43.981 and 232.0037. Solution, you will write same question. Okay, 3.62, 43.981 and 232.0037. Now you have to convert into a like fraction, or you can say like decimals. How you will convert this? See, after point, how many digit? 5. So biggest you have to see, means here see, here are biggest, that after point there are 4 place. Okay, and here 1, here 2, here 3 and here 4. So we have to see greatest one, that is 4 place. Okay, so we have to make all number after decimal, we have to make 4 digit. How we will make it? See, 0.5 we can put 000, it becomes 4 digit. Okay, when we put 30 here, this value cannot change. Okay, it will be 0.5. So we have to make place equal, that's why we have to put 00. 30 we have kept here. Now here how many 0 you will kept? 2, because already 2 places given, only we have to make 2 place. So we will put 20 here. Here is after decimal, how many place? 3, only we have to make 1 place and we will put 10 and 232.0037. It's already a 4 place. So see, after decimal all now place are equal. Okay, so this is like fraction or a like decimal. Second you can do by yourself. Okay, thank you.